Next question. Jerron, I have not filed taxes in the last 3 years. Can I still get approved for funding? Incredible question. You can absolutely get approved for funding if you have not filed taxes. Now, for the record, I am not a CPA. I am not a licensed financial advisor. This information is based on my experience and my experience alone with me and my friends, family, clients, and people of my community. But with that being said, you can go out and you can get funding without tax returns. But the major key is that you make sure that you do not apply to products that will require you to have tax returns. This is one of the biggest mistakes that I see entrepreneurs make. Because you don't know what's needed, you go in, you apply. Not only do you get denied, but you get hit with a hard increase, which then lowers your credit 2 to 4 points. And if you do that 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, then now you're sitting there looking like, why do I keep getting denied? And then I also have 35 inquiries now. And so, or actually my score has dropped 35 times or whatever the case may be, right? You want to make sure that you're in a situation where you understand where it is that you are applying to. So I'll give you guys a list now. When you start talking about a fintech business line of credit, they do not ask for tax returns. When you start talking about EIN only business automotive loans, like 99 to 100% of the time, they are not going to ask for tax returns. When you start talking about the thing that we love to talk about, business credit cards, they do not ask for tax returns, right? And so these are the things you want to keep a lookout on for. But when you start talking about going through the SBA, they want their tax returns. When you start talking about traditional lines of credit from, your favorite banks, right? They want your tax returns. And so this is key to keep in mind. If you haven't filed them yet, I would advise you do. I would advise you connect with a knowledgeable CPA that can get you back on track. But again, if you want to go credit card, if you want to go fintech line of credit, if you want to go business auto loan, right? These institutions and these particular product niches, they do not require tax returns. So phenomenal question.